focus on the energy from the heavens and earth energy. Relaxing the mind, healing the body, enjoying. Now you can start to begin your movement in Qigong. Whatever the sensation is allowing you to move with, go on and begin your movement. The outside energy coming from above, connecting with you to bring you more enjoy and embrace.